Next heading, orbital speed of satellite. Next heading, orbital speed of satellite. So what are satellites? What are planets? Bodies which revolve around the sun. Bodies which revolve around the sun are known as planets. Like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, etc. Okay. So those bodies which revolve around sun are known as planets. So those bodies which revolve around the planet are known as satellites. For example, Earth, Moon revolve around the Earth. Moon revolve around the Earth nearly circular orbit. So Moon is the satellite of Earth. Moon is the satellite of Earth. Okay. So body which revolve around the planets are known as satellites. Okay. And body which revolve around the sun are known as planets. Body which revolve around the sun are known as planets. And bodies which revolve around the planets are known as satellites. So to be studied about satellite, speed of satellite, time period of satellite. Okay. So right first heading, orbital speed of satellite. Orbital speed of satellite. So we find expression for orbital speed of satellite. So let a satellite of mass m revolve a planet of mass capital M. Let mass of the planet is capital M. Okay. And a satellite revolve with orbital speed v around the planets. This is mass m. Satellite revolve with orbital speed v. Mass of Earth let m. Satellite is supposed and mass of Earth is m. Radius of Earth suppose r. Radius of Earth is r. Okay. And a satellite is at height h from the Earth surface. This is your Earth surface. Or distance of satellite from Earth surface is h. Okay. The distance of satellite from Earth surface, vertical distance of satellite from Earth surface is height. So height of satellite is h, and this is radius. So radius of Earth is r. So this is radius. Sorry. So the distance of satellite from the center of Earth is small r, which is equal to r plus h. This is r, this is h. The sum of these two is r plus h. The satellite revolve around the Earth with orbital speed v in circular orbit. So we know that if any body revolve in circular orbit, then it needs centimeter force. This force is provided by any source. This force is provided by any source. So here, centripetal force is provided by gravitational force acting between satellite and Earth. Mass particle satellite and mass particle Earth. Okay. So gravitational force acts along the line joining the center of satellite and planets toward the center of the planet. So here direction of gravitational force is this. Direction of gravitational force is along PU. Let our center of Earth is O and position of satellite is P. Then gravitational force is along PU. Okay. And centripetal force Fc is also along radius of the circular orbit. Okay. So required centripetal force is provided by gravitational force. Required centripetal force is provided by gravitational force gravitational force acting between planet and satellite. Gravitational force. So if any mass particle revolve in circular orbit of radius r with speed v0, then required centripetal force is given by mv0 square upon r, mv0 square by r, and gravitational force according to Newton's law of gravitation, universal gravitation constant into mass of the satellite into mass of the planet upon square of distance between the center of satellite and planet. So Fg equal to G mm by r square. So m both side cancel out, r cancel. So b0 square, b0 is equal to square root gme upon r. Me is the mass of the earth. R is the distance between planet and satellite. R is the distance between planet and satellite. The distance between planet and satellite is r plus h. Distance between planet and satellite is r plus h. This is the center of the planets. This is the center of the satellite. Distance between these two bodies is this. This distance is equal to sum of h and r. This is r. This is h. So this distance is sum of r plus h. R and h. ठीक है. तो we can write r plus h in place of r. So r is equal to r plus h. Sum of radius of r and vertical height of the satellite from the surface of the satellite planets. So orbital speed v0, orbital speed v0 is equal to gme upon r plus h. R plus h. So this is the orbital speed of satellite revolving around the earth at radius. ठीक है. So acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface is given by small g is equal to gme upon r square. Gme upon r square. Small g is equal to gme upon r square. So gme is equal to gme is equal to g into r square. G into r square. ठीक है. So orbital speed v0 is equal to square root of right value of gme. So gme in terms of acceleration due to gravity is equal to g into r square. So write here g into r square. ठीक है. In place of gme we write gr square. In place of this we write this upon r plus h. R plus h. So r square this is square root. In square root all become half. So when it take square root of this, then power of this become 1. So r square come out of square root sign. So you get v0 is equal to re square root g upon r plus h. R plus h. Okay, r square this has two powers. So you can take out of the square root. So this become re. Or g have one power, so it is inside the square root. R plus h is also inside the square root. So that's orbital speed of satellite in terms of acceleration due to gravity and radius of earth and vertical height of the satellite from the earth surface. Okay. So equation 1 and equation 2. This is in the expression for orbital speed of satellite. Okay. Equation 1 and equation 2 are the expression for orbital speed of satellite. Equation 1 is in terms of mass of earth. Okay. And equation 2 are in terms of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So from these two equations it is clear. On increasing h, orbital speed of satellite decreases. On increasing h, when you increase h. See equation 1. When we increase h, then r plus h increases. When r plus h increases, so So denominator become greater and greater. When you divide numerator by greater quantity, then you get smaller quantity. So thus on beginning edge, we get smaller and smaller quantity inside the square root. So orbital speed become smaller and smaller. Okay. From this equation, g is a constant. When you increase h, then r plus h increases. So division of g upon r plus h decreases. So orbital speed decreases. Orbital speed decreases. So from this two equation, it is clear that on increasing h, that is height of the satellite, orbital speed of satellite decreases. Orbital speed of satellite decreases. Okay. So satellite which is close to the earth move faster, and satellite which are away from the earth move slower. Okay. So as you move away from the surface, speed of satellite reduces. Speed of satellite reduces. ठीक है. Next, so if satellite is very close to Earth surface, if satellite is very close to the Earth surface, if satellite is very close to the Earth surface, then h is approximately 0. जैसे if suppose the value of h is 50 meter, and radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer, ना 6400 kilometer, radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer, change into meter, so 64000. In 1 kilometer, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So write it 3 zeros. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So 64 lakh. Radius of Earth is 64 lakh. Radius, what is radius of Earth? Radius of Earth is 64 lakh. ठीक है. If satellite is at height 50 meter or 100 meter, so 100 meter h is suppose 100 meter. So 100 meter is negligible in comparison to 64 lakh. Suppose you have 64 lakh money amount, 100 rupee drop, then no effect on pocket. ठीक है. So 100 meter is negligible and comparison to 64 lakh. 100 meter is negligible in comparison to 64 lakh. ठीक है. So for a satellite revolving very close to Earth surface, for a satellite revolving very close to the Earth surface, revolving very close to the Earth surface, very close to the Earth surface. Earth surface, h is approximately 0 in comparison to radius of Earth. H is approximately 0 in comparison to radius of Earth. So write this value here, write this value here. Then we get V0 is equal to RE root of G upon RE plus 0. So V0 is equal to the square root G into R square, G into R square upon RE. So V0 is equal to the square root G into R, G into R. So thus orbital speed of satellite is constant. Orbital speed of satellite is a constant revolving very close to the Earth surface. If satellite revolves very close to the Earth surface, then their orbital speed is given by this equation. Okay. So g is constant, r is constant. So orbital speed will be constant. So this is the orbital speed of satellite revolving very close to the Earth surface. This is orbital speed of satellite. Orbital speed of satellite. Speed of satellite. Satellite revolving very close to the Earth surface. Revolving very close to the Earth surface. Very close to the Earth surface. to the earth surface. ठीक है, तो what is value of this? तो right value of G and right value of R. So acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface, at the earth surface. Earth surface means at sea level at latitude 45. ठीक है, तो at the earth surface, at the earth surface G is equal to 9.8. Here earth surface means at sea level at latitude 45 degree. और radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer. Change it into meter. So to change it into meter, multiply this by 10 raised to power 3. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised to power 3 meter. So radius of earth is 6400 into 10 raised to power 3 meter. So write this value in this equation. Suppose this is equation 3. So write value of small g and radius of earth in equation 3. Then you get BO is equal to square root G. Value of G is 9.8. So write 9.8 into 6400 into 10 raised to power 3. So V0 is equal to square root 980 into 6400 into 10 raised to power 2. So BO is equal to root 49 into 2 into 80 square into 10 raised to power 2. The right value. Square root of 49 is 7. The right is 7. Square of 80 square is 80. Square root of 2. Square root of 10 raised to power 2 become 10 raised to power 1. When you take square root, then power become half. This is just 2 power, so become 1 power. So write this 58600. 80 into 7, 560 into 10, 5600 into root 2. Root value of root 2 is 1.414. 1.414. Multiply. So 6400. 5600. 5600 into 1.414 become 7918.4. Value of this is 7918.4 meter second month. Meter second month. Okay. So we can write this 7.9184 into 10 raised to power 3 meter second month. Okay. So this becomes 7.9184 kilometer second month. 10 raised to power 3 meter can be written as kilometer. So thus arbitrary speed of satellite revolving very close to the earth surface is 7.9184 kilometer per second. 7.9184 kilometer per second. So this is 7 rupees 92 paise. This is 7.918 means 7 rupees 92 paise. So 7 rupees 92 paise can be taken as 8 rupees. Can be taken as 8 rupees. So we can write this 8. We can write this 8. So thus 7.9184 can be written as 8 kilometer per second. 8 kilometer per second. Okay. So thus particles which are close to the earth surface revolve around the earth with this speed. Those particles which are close to the earth surface revolve with speed 8 kilometer per second. Thus particles which are on the earth surface revolve with speed approximately equal to 8 kilometer per second. So thus particle can be taken as a satellite. Thus particle can be considered as a satellite. ठीक है. This satellite revolves with speed 8 kilometer per second. So thus I am going above the Earth's surface. Velocity of satellite, speed of satellite reduces. Let's say, thus I am going from equation 1 and 2. It is clear. Let's say from equation 1 and 2. It is clear. From equation 1 and 2. From question 1 and 2, it is clear. It is clear. It is clear. The speed of satellite is. It is clear. The speed of satellite. The speed of satellite. From question 1 and 2, it is clear. The speed of satellite is. The speed of satellite decreases on going over the surface. Decreases on going above the Earth's surface. Above the Earth's surface. ठीक है क्या पहले